Remove the screws and remove the top cover of the machine. Remove the screws and remove the middle body of the machine. Remove the screws on both sides of the center body as shown in the picture. Remove the laser module.
Middle body bottom up.
Remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the middle body as shown in the picture. Remove the front bezel. Be careful not to pull too hard to avoid ripping the wiring harness. Unplug the Y-axis FPC cable and Y-axis motor cable. Remove the screws holding both sides of the screw X-axis assembly in place.
Extract the X-axis assembly.
Unscrew the coupling and remove the optical shaft. Remove the limit screws and idler pulley assembly. Remove the other end of the belt. Slide the left Y-axis slide plate to remove the belt. Remove the limit screw and idler pulley assembly on the other side. Remove the screw on the air tube connection port of the X-axis assembly. Slide the right Y-axis slide plate to remove the belt. Replace the belt with a new one. Align the holes and install the belt. Snap the belt onto the buckle. The toothed side of the belt must fit securely into the buckle.
Align the holes and slide the left Y-axis slide into place.
Slide the other end of the belt onto the timing pulley.
Install the cap screws and idler pulley assembly.
Note, there are brass spacers on both sides of the idler pulley assembly. Put the belt into the idler pulley after installation. Adjusting belt tension. Turn the screw clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. Tighten the idler pulley assembly when adjustment is complete. Do the same for the other side of the belt. Align the holes and install the belt. Snap the belt onto the buckle. The toothed side of the belt must fit securely into the buckle.
Align the holes and slide the right Y-axis slide into place.
Attach the X-axis assembly air hose connector screws. Install the upper screw and idler pulley assembly. Note, there are brass spacers on both sides of the idler pulley assembly. Slide the belt onto the idler pulley after installation.
Install the optical shaft.
Put the other end of the belt into the synchronizer pulley to align the holes and install the optical shaft. Push the coupling to connect the optical shaft. Note, the left Y-axis slide plate and the right Y-axis slide plate must be tightened against the limit screws when preparing to torque the coupling. Torque the coupling. Adjusting belt tension. Turn the screw clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen.
Tighten the idler pulley assembly after adjustment.
Install the X-axis assembly by aligning the holes. If the hole on the left side of the X-axis assembly is not aligned properly, press firmly. Tighten the screws on both sides of the X-axis assembly. Install front baffle. Note bottom of middle body up. Installation of Y-axis FPC cable and Y-axis motor cable. Attach the front bezel to the corresponding position. Install the bottom 4 screws. Middle body front placement. Install the screws on both sides to secure the front bezel. Check if the Y-axis motor wires are plugged in properly. Attach the center body to the base and secure with hand screws. Installation of top cover components and securing with hand screws. Installation of laser modules. Plug in the power cord and USB cable. Long press the power button to turn on the machine to run normally.